detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, has pleaded not guilty to the fresh amended 15-count treasonable felony charge preferred against him by the federal government. Mr. Kanu was brought into the courtroom of the Federal High Court Abuja around 10:15 a.m., said he was innocent of all the allegations leveled against him. Immediately after Mr. Kanu took his plea, the prosecution counsel, Mr. Labaran Magaji, told the court that he was ready to proceed with the trial, adding that he brought 2 witnesses to testify against the defendant. However, Kanu's lead counsel, Mike Ozekume, told the court that he had on Tuesday evening filed preliminary objection for the charge to be quashed and struck out without the matter proceeding to trial. Mr. Labaran, however, argued that Mr. Kanu's 2 applications were not ripe for hearing, stressing that he will require time to go through them in order to respond adequately. In a brief ruling, Justice Binta Nyako noted that since Mr. Kanu's first application is challenging the propriety of his trial as well as competence of the charge against him, the court ought to hear it first. The court subsequently adjourned till February the 16th to hear the pending application.
What I want to tell Nigerians is that we are fully ready. And one thing that is very interesting that Nigerians should be looking out for is the fact that one of the counts suggesting that the defendant, Nnamdi Kanu, is a member of IPOB, and he vehemently denied being a member of IPOB. That is very curious, and we urge Nigerians to see us through how we are going to prove all those charges against the defendants in no time to come.
By the time the judge calmly, dispassionately examines the step-by-step destruction of these counts, then, like I submitted in court, she will go to the next stage, which is to grant us our prayer too. And our prayer too is that there being no valid legal counts in the charge to defend, she should dismiss all of them and set free, that is, discharge and acquit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of any offenses. What the prosecution tried to do was to insist that because today was set down for hearing, that the trial must go on, notwithstanding the pendency of this application, which we have tried.